Hey guys, I'm Path and you're watching Laravel for Beginner tutorial series, and if you are new then click on the subscribe button to not miss out any of the videos for Laravel. So let's begin. I want to tell you we will go through some steps. We will install some things to make Laravel run, which are XAMPP, Composer and MySQL. So first we'll go to XAMPP, and XAMPP is basically like including Apache. It includes PHP and it includes the MySQL server. So it will help us to make Laravel run because Laravel is a framework based on PHP. So we need to install the prerequisites for PHP to make this run. So this is the simple link I have given you in the description below. You don't need to go anywhere else like to search for XAMPP and then to install it. So just click on the link in the description and you will land on this page which I'm currently on, and click on the download for your OS. And the installation is quite simple. You just have to press next options and then it will automatically install it. But also, while installing XAMPP, it will ask you for some advanced options which you want to customize, but just don't change any of that settings. It may affect your installation, and as you are new to it, so I'll suggest you to go with the settings which they give. Okay, so then afterwards installing XAMPP, you need to install Composer. So Composer is basically a package installer which will help us in installing packages and even installing Laravel. So basically Laravel is a package and someone has uploaded it on a GitHub. So you have to install Laravel using Composer. We will get back on that steps when I will make another video for the installation. So don't worry about it. Just click on the Composer setup exe file and it will download the Composer setup. And as same as XAMPP, you need to click on next options and it will automatically download Composer and will install it on your local computer. I will tell you more about Composer, that how it install different packages. When you say payment gateway, that payment gateway also have a package to install for I'll say easier coding, if someone has already made some code for you, then you can use that out. So Composer install third party packages in our project, and I will tell you that further on when we dive into Laravel properly. So for now, just install Composer and we will look into it afterwards when it gets to work on something which requires it. Moving forward, we have MySQL Workbench. So if you have worked on PHP before, then I think you might have worked with PHP MyAdmin, which handles your MySQL operations and it gives you an interface for handling like editing things in your database or manually updating something or creating a database. So here this works like pretty good, but still if we need to do some advanced operations and need some extra customization settings, then you can go for MySQL Workbench. So it's pretty simple. You just click on download and follow the same steps as of XAMPP and Composer. Click on next options and it will install for you. So it is my choice, but you can go with any other software also for handling it because it's not a concern for us for now. So that was all for a simple installation, like when you have to run Laravel on your local computer. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section and I will be right there to help you, because I have made this series for helping out the beginners who face some like simple issues, like because this is not a big installation or something which you need to run like as of Android Studio or something like which requires a proper assistance, like. So Also, if you feel any difficulty in this simple installation, please let me know. I will be there. And if you like the video, then as always, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to not miss the next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.